Hi guys, welcome to TunesKit channel. Are you seeing the iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes error? This usually happens after too many incorrect passcode attempts. Here are 3 effective methods to fix it. Method 1, restore iPhone with iTunes or Finder. First, open iTunes on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later devices, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then connect it to your computer. When prompted, choose Restore instead of Update. Your iPhone will be erased and reinstalled with the latest version of iOS. Once the process is complete, you can set it up again or restore your data from a backup. Method 2, erase iPhone with Find My. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you can remotely erase the disabled device. Simply sign into iCloud.com or open the Find My app on another Apple device. Select your disabled iPhone from the device list. Choose Erase, and confirm the action. After the erase is finished, you can set up the device again using your Apple ID. Method 3, factory reset iPhone without iTunes. If iTunes can't detect your iPhone, you can use the factory reset feature in TunesKit iOS system recovery. Launch the program on your computer and connect your disabled iPhone. Choose Reset Device, select Factory Reset. Confirm device information and click Download. Wait for the firmware to be downloaded successfully. Click Reset. Wait a few minutes and don't disconnect your device. Once finished, your iPhone will return to factory settings, allowing you to set it up again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iOS tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.